Hello everyone, this is Christine with the Crafters Outpost, and today we are going to be making papers from a leftover batch of elderberry and hibiscus flowers. Okay, so this is going to be my first batch. This is the elderberry that I made. I had leftover from my elderberry syrup, and it looks really red right now, but I don't know how the papers are going to turn out. Probably pink, which sometimes happens. But anyway, I'm just experimenting now with some elderberry and hibiscus flowers. It's a mixture that I put in my elderberry syrup. So let's see what happens. So now that I'm done soaking my papers last night, I did get up this morning and I added them to my dehydrator, which I love drying my papers this way. It's quick, it's easy. You get the little crinkling sound. It's faster to me and safer to do it this way, but as you can see, it dries it really well. And so this is my technique that I use to do things a little quicker than waiting around for an oven. And as you can see, they have all the crinkling sound that you like, and they're dry. And so I just feel safer. I can walk away and not have to sit and watch it. And so it just makes me feel better about drying them. And that's really all I do is just stick them in there for a little bit, 20 minutes. And that's all you got to do if you have a dehydrator. If you don't, then I guess you have to do it the old-fashioned way or in the oven. Okay, guys. As I had posted yesterday, I had made some elderberry syrup that I make every winter before cold and flu season, excuse me. And I had just added some elderberry and hibiscus flowers. And and this is the color it came out, which was very dark, and I love it. But it's too expensive to use it to dye papers with. I just used over the leftover berries and added water and, did a darker batch, which of course is this. And so I like the way it turned out. It's kind of like the avocado, but, I could have I don't think I could have went any deeper the more I think about it, because it was kind of red when it came out. And then, I got the darker colors out of it, the first batch. And then I added water as I went to get the lighter colors. But they turned out beautiful. I love these colors of the soft pink. And so, yep, that's it. All right, thanks for watching.